Welcome to another PCs by Design production. This is Jim, and I'm going to be showing you the final Master Chief Halo motorcycle helmet build that I was working on. Completed it, thoroughly happy with it. If any of you guys had thought about doing a project like this, I highly recommend it. It is a lot of fun, a little time consuming, but well worth it. So this is the final product. I did decide to go with the black smoke shield. I have the LEDs mounted in the, let's see if I can focus on that, side there, as well as I've created some air intake vents so that when I'm riding it actually has air coming in, as well as the front of the helmet I have air intake right in here also. I'll mount the camera here in a minute and show you some of the other details. Got some really nice battle damage work done on it. I did like the finish of the ridges from the pepper cure, so I didn't smooth that out. I really like that look, so I kept that intentionally. And just as a reference point, here's my one of my caps that I wear, so just to give you an idea of size. It is full-size motorcycle helmet, large. I have inside, I have a little speaker system mounted inside it, and I'll flip it over here so if I can show you that. So down underneath I have my toggle switches, or my rocker switches, to be able to turn my LEDs on and off. Then internally, I hope the camera will show you this, I have just between the wiring harness for the rockers up here, I have a little area that I created to snugly fit my speaker in that I have connected to my iPod, so I have tunes when I'm going down. Internally, it's got the full DOT helmet mounted in it with, you know, the full, I don't know if you can see that. I'll add some photos in this as well so you can see some of the details inside. But I am really pleased with the outcome. I have the back area, some reflective blue tape that's kind of mounted, or right here in this area, so just as, and underneath here. So as the light hits for vehicles every now and then, that'll show. Got the pleather wrap around the back. Battle damage airbrushed in the low lights. But the overall product, man, I am really happy with it. So if any of you guys have questions, comments, please leave them. I'm, you know, welcoming all comments. So this was the first time I thought about doing something like this, but I'm really pleased with it. I'm sure it will not be my last one. I'll be making a few others as I go along, and with some improvements on some of the things I learned. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to mount the shield in a way that I could lift it up, but I'll work on that in future builds, because I'll, you know, have it planned out a little bit better as far as maybe building it after the fact. So I want to thank you again for watching another PCs by Design production. Hope you guys enjoy, and like I said, if you have any comments, please go ahead and include them. I'm going to flip the lights off here for just a moment so you can see the actual LEDs, and then I'll end the video there. Let's see if the LEDs are going to show. Hit the other switch. So, alright. Again, that's coming out pretty dark, but just again, I wanted to thank you for watching another PCs by Design production. And this is Jim out. Have a great day.